go to a field trip to a gadget shop. The gadget shop name is Maharashtra Electronic Gadget Shop, which is in Can. I had to take lots of precaution. I was wearing my mask, a hand gloves, but I had to remove my mask because I had to talk with the concerned person regarding the gadgets. So let's go for a field trip.
We are going for a field trip. We are going to a gadget shop which is in Can. The shop's name is Maharashtra Electronic Corporation. Okay, so I just want to tell you what is gadgets. Gadgets are electronic device which works on electricity. So let's go and see the gadget shop which is just in front of us. So let's enter the gadget shop. This is the entrance gate. Okay. There's a guard for the shop. So okay. So now we enter. Hello sir. So there is a person who is going to guide us to the electronic shop. We have just entered. Okay. So we come to the first counter where we see a different electronic device. Okay. There is a Karman. There is a small Karman. Then there is small speakers. So can you tell us about the speakers? There are different types of speakers.
These are wireless speakers. Once you get charged, it will long last for 4 hours or 5 hours. Okay, so you can carry along with you. If you are going for a trip, you can carry along with you. You can't need to carry like this for you.
Okay, so it is a portable one which you can carry while you go for a field trip or when you go out for a picnic. So you can carry these devices and they all work on electricity. So they are gadgets which are newly introduced. Okay, so we come to the next gadget. Okay, we go to the next gadget, that is the TV. Okay, there are different types of TVs here. So sir is going to tell us the different sizes of TVs here.
For home use, for 32, 40 inches, 43 inches, 50 inches, 55 and 65. There are different types like smart TVs also there, and one is like the normal TV. On normal TV only you can watch movies and all, connect your USBs. But for a smart TV you can use internet access. So like you want to check your like educational stuff also, so that is also
So can you just introduce which is the smart TV from this?
these are all smart TVs.
Okay.
About 3 inches smart, these are normal TVs. 40 inches, these are normal TVs.
The down TVs are all normal. Okay. The up are all your smart TVs. And then we walk up, okay, we go inside and have a look. So here we come to the next counter where
Cameras and laptops.
we can see cameras, laptops, printers, right?
Mobiles.
And there are mobiles also. We can see some device which is nowadays used in COVID. Okay, that is your thermometer. So sir, can we have a look one of the thermometer from your
Yes, I have one opening it, I'll show you.
yes, sir, can you just show us? So actually, so these thermometers are used to know the temperature of the body, and nowadays because of COVID we are using this device which is an electronic device. Okay, then
The
we
device, you can operate like this.
can you see, all of you, this is the device
Shows temperature.
which shows the temperature. Here is the temperature shown. There are buttons here where you have to press and know the temperature of the body. Okay. So we have another device which is just behind us. That is a laptop. Okay. So there are different sizes of laptops. The laptops are of the Dell company, which are just kept in the showcase. And then we have a cameras here of different sizes.
These are
which is
DSLR cameras for professional use.
This is also an electronic device. Okay, this is a different type of gadgets used to remove photos. Okay, and then we have a small cameras also, which are portable. You can carry in your purse. Then there are mobiles. Okay, now handsets are there. Then we have a printer also, which is there are printers which are of Epson company, okay, which are used to remove the photocopy of the notes, your pictures. They are all, this gadget is already should be attached to the laptop, and you can remove as many photocopies you can remove. Okay. So we have come on the first floor of the Maharashtra store, and now we are walking into the another section where we can see all washing machines. So sir is going to just guide us about the washing machines.
There are two types of washing machines. These are front load, okay, and these are top load. There are two types of washing machines.
There you can see a hand blender, okay, egg beater you can see.
These are all inductions.
These
Sandwich
are
maker.
all induction, and they are sandwich makers. Then there is your
This is chopper. These are your electric kettle.
electric kettles, okay. These are the toasters, okay. Then we have something new I can see here. Can you just explain about this device?
This is a sandwich maker for four breads.
Oh, lovely.
These are like these are normal for two only.
Okay.
Where you can make four.
Here you can make 4 in this device. You can make only 2 in this device. Oh, lovely. So we are looking so many things. Okay.
These are vacuum cleaners completely remote. These are the different types of vacuum cleaners are here.
There are
Smaller
different
size.
types of vacuum cleaners. Then there are all mixers here where you have to grind your chutney if your mummy needs to grind the chutney. If she wants to make some paste of some item, she can just use this mixers.
These are food processor for juicer also.
Okay, so these are juicers and the food processors. They are also of different companies. There is a Kenstar, Bosch company, okay. Morphy Richards are there, Bajaj is there. There are lots and lots of companies which launch all these gadgets, okay. Now here we can see something different, and we all are having in our house, that is the fan, okay. So this is also a gadget which works on electricity, that is our fans. There are different types of fans also. This is a ceiling fan, and we have some different types of fans also. Let's see. We have here also something, sir. Yeah. Okay, these are the geysers. Okay. You all get hot water in your house. So these are the geysers which are there in your washroom, so that you get hot water for morning bath. Then we are going to see something else also here. These are the dishwashers. So nowadays, if your servant doesn't come, you can use this machine also, and it is a wow, lovely. This is a dishwasher, and you can see inside how it is. And this also works on electricity. It is an electronic gadget. Lovely. So now we don't have to take any tension. If our servant doesn't come, we can use this. So
Here microwave section.
we have a microwave which is there in front of our eyes. Okay. Lovely. stores where we are going to see all the refrigerators. We just see the first refrigerator. Okay, so this is your refrigerator. Okay, this part is the refrigerator, right, sir? And this is your freezer where you store your ice. You can keep your chicken, fish, everything stored here. Okay, and this is your
ice tray.
This is your ice tray where you turn and your ice cubes comes out. And this is very necessary in summer. This device, this electronic device, the gadget is very necessary in summer. So each and every house has this. So now we walk and see the different refrigerators which the Maharashtra Electronics Store is having. So let's walk in.
These are small sizes with the different colors. Then we have big sizes also in 2 doors.
Okay.
It's like 500, 600, 700 liters. These are the big fridges.
This is how many liters, sir?
This is 600 liters.
600 liters. Can you guess, children? Oh wow, this is like a giant fridge. Can you see this? Okay, so we are on this floor and we can see that there are water purifiers and there are different sizes of water purifiers. As we know now it's a rainy season and we need this device at home. So in rainy season to purify the water, we need this device at home. So sir, can you just tell us about these water filters?
There are different companies. Aquaguard, Eureka Foods, Panasonic, Havells, 4 to 5 companies of water purifiers. Okay, and there are like small sizes also, like for 3 to 5 liters. There are big sizes also for the big family, for 2 to 3 members. You go for 3 to 5 liters. For like more than that family member, you go for 15 liters.
So we have from how many liters?
3 liters to 15 liters.
So we have from 3 liters to 15 liters, which is there in this shop. Okay, these all water filters, these all water purifiers work on electricity. Okay, there is a wire which you need to attach on the device, and then when the electricity passes, this water filter starts purifying the water and the water just runs out of the pipe. Okay, so we go to the next device.
These are irons.
These are all irons, different colors, okay, and different companies, which has a wire and which has a plug to plug in, okay. And when the electricity passes, the iron gets hot and we can just iron our clothes. So this also works on electricity. So we have seen one more item, which is a gadget, which is the iron. Ready to hear the sound system? So let's hear the sound system, how it works. Yes. Lovely.
DJ Herschel MC. Somebody say on me, I die on me. Baby just do tea, is it giving me honey?
So that was really fun we had.